Trends in food and fashion are cyclical in nature. Jars previously used for storage have now made a comeback, this time for plating desserts. They look nice, are practical, and the best way to mix up varied flavors. Just like I'm adding a crunchy chocolatey twist using Sunfeast Dark Fantasy to a delectable, delicious jar dessert. So this is the Dark Fantasy jar dessert, a box of happiness, a perfect end to any meal. You can serve it for lunches, for dinners, and even for your kids' birthday parties. So the next time, think inside a jar. And if you want to learn today's Sunfeast Dark Fantasy jar dessert or many more desserts, all you have to do is visit www.darkfantasycreations.com for a whole lot of indulgence.
Wait, won't wait, can't wait, won't wait, can't